Like, okay, Emily, did you do that then? No, did you?
No.
I think your cable just went out. It's probably nothing. I mean, what could possibly? It's probably just the cable. Emily, something's wrong with your lights. Emily, I think the power is just out. Maybe we should call the company. It is raining. I mean, Emily. Okay, I think someone's trying to play a prank on me.
The cable's out.
The cable.
And the lights.
Yeah. It's probably nothing.
My bad.
Probably nothing. It's probably just time to get the flashlights out.
I don't have any flashlights.
Oh, you don't have any flashlights? Oh, it's fine. You can just like.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was kind of like a. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Did you do that?
No, you're messing with me.
Are you sure you're not messing with me?
Okay, I've been pumped.
First acting coaching.
Ellie, I think you should go check that out.
Yeah.
I think I heard it down there. Ooh, I'm scared. Be serious, Emily. Do it. This one's for me. Did you hear that? Yeah. Oh, it's probably nothing. Emily, are you okay?
False alarm, my bad. It's probably just my pet canary. You know my bird back there.
Canaries are so annoying.
I know.
They
Right?
just they chirp. They talk way too much. Here, check again. Be serious this time, Emily. I said serious, not skanky. It's probably nothing. Emily? Emily? Are you okay? Emily? Emily? What's wrong, Emily? Are you okay? Emily, what's wrong with you? Emily, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? She's got my arm! She's got my arm! I think she's dead. I think she's dead, but just in case. Just in case. Emily, I'm sorry. She was a good friend. What's this? It looks like blood. It must have just spattered. It's all good. I might as well wash off this knife.